Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best DIY beauty secrets that are essential for making you glow. Today, we have something special in store for you. Get ready to indulge in some homemade hair masks that will give you a gorgeous and lustrous look. So, let's jump right in. Before we begin, make sure you grab a pen and paper to jot down these fantastic hair mask recipes. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on trying them. Our first DIY hair mask is the Nourishing Avocado Delight. Avocado is not only a superfood for your body but also for your hair. It's packed with vitamins and healthy fats that promote hair growth and add shine. Take a ripe avocado, mash it up, and mix in 2 tablespoons of honey and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply this creamy mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, and behold the magic of hydrated and silky hair. Next up, we have the Banana Boost. Bananas are nature's gift to hair care, as they are rich in potassium and natural oils that nourish and repair damaged strands. Take a ripe banana, mash it well, and mix in a tablespoon of olive oil and a teaspoon of honey. Blend it all together until you have a creamy consistency. Apply this delightful mask from roots to ends and let it work its magic for 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, and say hello to unbelievably soft and manageable hair. Now, let's dive into the coconut dream. Coconut oil is a true hero when it comes to hair care, as it deeply moisturizes and strengthens your strands from within. Melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and combine it with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it all together until it forms a smooth blend. Apply this dreamy mask to your hair and scalp, gently massaging it in. Let it soak in for 30 minutes, and prepare to embrace the natural shine and strength of your hair. Last but not least, we have the Excellent Revitalizer. Eggs are packed with proteins and essential nutrients that promote hair growth and repair damage. Take 1 egg and whisk it until it becomes frothy. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it thoroughly. Apply this revitalizing mask to your hair and scalp, ensuring that every strand is covered. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it out completely. Say goodbye to dull and lifeless hair. There you have it, my friends. 4 incredible DIY hair masks that will give you gorgeous and lustrous locks. The best part? These masks are all natural and cost-effective. So, no more excuses for neglecting your hair. Give them a try and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our DIY beauty secrets. Remember, beauty begins with self-care. Stay fabulous, and we'll see you soon.